Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Yyai AI stock, which today is down by 9%. We've got a number of things to speak about here. I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions over tonight's episode. If it does sound good, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, do remember this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Like I say, a few things to note over here. We see this one drop really into new and uncharted territory. This stock's been on the decline for some time, with a brief, of course, volatile spike to the upside, but now it just appears to be dropping even further. This does spark some concern in my mind, as again we are now touching new lows. The after hours does take us up by 2%, and the thing that I've said before about this stock, guys, I do still stand by. I personally believe when this one moves, or if this one moves to the upside, it may be quite quick. At the same time, you've got to look at the factors to the downside. And again, because of the volatility, again, this does require, or does require extra risk allocation, I should say, risk management, risk tolerance, but you've also got to be aware of that potential, right? Towards the downside of today, the late part, we are seeing the momentum somewhat slowing, with a little bit of a spike towards the late part of the day. Obviously not enough to bring us into the green, but still something to note. If we can see this one move up tomorrow, I'm looking to break past numbers such as 280 and of course looking to break past $3. If you can break 3, I'm looking at numbers such as 350 and then you'd be looking onto 380 for potential push onto numbers like 390, $4 and of course numbers higher than that. Overall, guys, the RSI in this one is relatively low, actually just scraping on oversold right now. That does not necessarily mean that the dropping is over just yet. We would hope that it is, and again, the last time that we have seen something like this, when we have a look at the trend that oversold, right, we did actually see a brief spike up afterwards. The question is this going to be a repeat, or are we simply finding a new level? And of course, that's the job for you guys to look for. I'm absolutely watching those levels to the downside. This could be a new moment of weakness. Well, it is over the course of today. I'm just watching to see if this one continues to drop into tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.